So the purpose of the In-Vitro 2D and 3D Neuronal Networks Summit is to bring together the scientific community to talk about neuroscience, stem cell biology, organoids, biotechnology, and microelectrode arrays.
I've learned about it through work. We work very closely with Maxwell. We see them as great collaborators, and we also recently purchased new Maxwell Biosystems platform, and I'm very happy to interact with other users.
I found out about the user meeting through the newsletters from Maxwell Biosystems.
The most excited about this Neuronal Networks Summit 2022 is to learn about the new technology that Maxwell has developed and about the possible applications of 3D organoids.
To see what other protocols people are using, what other experiments people are conducting with these CMOS chips, and to get some tips from the Maxwell people and also from other users on how to optimize our own protocols. For me, it was very interesting to see that many people are shifting towards studying organoids and spheroids on the chip, which is something that is quite unfamiliar to me.
So do I know about Maxwell technology? Yes, of course. I work with stem cells and with a number of different electric active cells. And I work with customers, so I get to see the research and I get to see what type of equipment they're using. And it's a real joy for me to see that our customers and collaborators are very familiar with Maxwell and very appreciate the high density of research that this platform provides.
I've been working with Maxwell technology for like 3 years, and we moved to the high density multi-electrode arrays because we have some problems with other platforms that has less electrodes, so we have some irreproducibility or some variation between wells. But now with this technology we can select around 1,000 electrodes, so it's more robust to measure over the different wells.
So we haven't used Maxwell system so far, but I heard about it from several people that have used it successfully, and we are now more and more looking into mature neurons in organoids, and so I would be very interested to try the system on our organoids.
It has greatly impacted our research because it gives us the possibility to check on the status of our neurons in our neuronal networks, whether in a wild type or in disease condition.
In terms of the program, we had many different talks ranging from 2D human iPSC-derived neurons down to organoids, as well as roundtables, open discussions, and also tips and tricks.
So my recommendations for the meeting is that I really like this hybrid system because it allows people who can be on site to interact with everybody, but also who is far that can also still attend the meetings. And it's very good that we also have the recording of the sessions that will allow us to go back and check on them.
So the event as it is right now is already something that I enjoy having, and I could imagine in the future that maybe it actually becomes like a small conference where people can submit abstracts, apply for posters and talks, so to actually make it a little bit more prominent in the scientific spheres.
I was invited through my field of work and my connections in research, and through Marie and Sanders. Reached out for me to join because of the overlap of how we can really progress our research together, and I was really thankful for that. The technology that Maxwell uses is quite incredible, and I think that's what attracted me to their technologies.
So I believe everything was perfectly organized, all the panels, networkings and meetings and talks, so I would say it was in the best way that it could be.
The most exciting part is that seeing so many new techniques that are merging together to tackle all the challenges in neuroscience.
Now we are super happy that there are 900 sign-ups, more than 900 sign-ups for this event. So we plan to increase that even more and to reach out to more people and to have to open the chance for people to also submit their scientific work so that we can also showcase it to the public through posters. So that's one thing that we would like to implement. And the second thing is that once again, we hope to have a hybrid approach wherein we have an on-site event and an online component as well. So we are really looking forward to that, and we are working hard starting from tomorrow.